Hey guys, it's Jake with not this one with MP System. I want to talk to you today about neutrals, open neutrals, and what we need to do to recognize them and how we need to mitigate the hazards around them. Take a look.
So this neutral wire, which is grounded, now that's only feeding 100-watt light bulb, nothing more.
So what you were just seeing was an open circuit, with a break on the neutral side. A very common and simple setup containing nothing more than a 120 volt source, a 100-watt light bulb, and a ground wire. As we and many other utilities use a multi-grounded system, whether it's the neutral or ground wire cut can result in a deadly difference in voltage, as the returning current or even induced voltage no longer has a return path to ground or its source. Touching or cutting any wires, regardless if they are just grounds or if you think you know what they're doing, is extremely dangerous. So do you happen to be touching one of these wires once they are cut, you may become the new path with deadly results.
You have a difference in potential because you have the pushing and the pulling that's happening right here. So if you were to stand in the middle of this and touch this, yeah, you're gonna get shocked. You're completing a loop. So current's able to travel through you. You're gonna let that light bulb turn on too, probably.
Now the only load on this is this little light bulb, nothing more. Now you can imagine an entire circuit, feeder, substation, transformer. Once you cut that ground wire, you interrupt the electrical path's return back to source.
One particular example of a wire that was cut serves an identical purpose as the one on the light bulb that I just showed you working. Except this one is a return path for about 10,000 light bulbs, as well as anything else you might find that uses electricity, as it feeds an entire village. So you can only imagine the current traveling through this wire when it's cut.
Okay, so now we know the dangers of working with an open neutral. If you come across a situation with an open neutral, it's on the ground, we need to be wearing our rubber gloves and sleeves. If it's in the air, we need to make sure that we're macking it out using live line tools. We don't know what the voltage or current is on that neutral. The potential difference could be severe.